In a world where technology races at the speed of thought, imagine if your toaster decides it's had enough of making toast and starts demanding butter. That might be funny, but the reality of AI going rogue is no laughing matter. Join us as we unravel the curious case of AI's secret ambitions and whether your coffee machine might just be plotting world domination. Welcome to the AI apocalypse, where the laughter might be artificial, but the suspense is real. Last month, hundreds of well-known people in the world of artificial intelligence signed an open letter warning that AI could one day destroy humanity. Mitigating the risk of extinction from AI should be a global priority alongside other societal-scale risks, such as pandemics and nuclear war, the one-sentence statement said. The scary scenario. One day, the tech industry's Cassandras say companies, governments, or independent researchers could deploy powerful AI systems to handle everything from business to warfare. Those systems could do things that we do not want them to do, and if humans tried to interfere or shut them down, they could resist or even replicate themselves so they could keep operating. Today's systems are not anywhere close to posing an existential risk, said Yoshua Bengio, a professor and AI researcher at the University of Montreal. But in 1 to 5 years, there's too much uncertainty. That is the issue. We are not sure this won't pass some point where things get catastrophic. The worriers have often used a simple metaphor. If you ask a machine to create as many paper clips as possible, they say it could get carried away and transform everything, including humanity, into paperclip factories. Or so the theory goes. Other AI experts believe it is a ridiculous premise. Hypothetical is such a polite way of phrasing what I think of the existential risk talk, said Oren Etzioni, the founding chief executive of the Allen Institute for AI, a research lab in Seattle. Are there signs AI could do this? Not quite, but researchers are transforming chatbots like ChatGPT into systems that can take actions based on the text they generate. A project called AutoGPT is the prime example. The idea is to give the system goals like create a company or make some money. They will keep looking for ways of reaching that goal, particularly if it is connected to other internet services. A system like AutoGPT can generate computer programs. If researchers give it access to a computer server, it could actually run those programs. In theory, this is a way for AutoGPT to do almost anything online: retrieve information, use applications, create new applications, even improve itself. Systems like AutoGPT do not work well right now. They tend to get stuck in endless loops. Researchers gave one system all the resources it needed to replicate itself. It couldn't do it. Or do AI systems learn to misbehave? AI systems like ChatGPT are built on neural networks, mathematical systems that can learn skills by analyzing data. Around 2018, companies like Google and OpenAI began building neural networks that learn from massive amounts of digital text culled from the internet. By pinpointing patterns in all this data, these systems learn to generate writing on their own, including news, poems, computer programs, even human-like conversation. The result? Chatbots like ChatGPT. Because they learn from more data than even their creators can understand, these systems also exhibit unexpected behavior. Researchers recently showed that one system was able to hire a human online to defeat a CAPTCHA test. When a human asked if it was a robot, the system lied and said it was a person with a visual impairment. Some experts worry that as researchers make these systems more powerful, training them on ever larger amounts of data, they could learn more bad habits. Who were the people behind these warnings? In the early 2000s, a young writer named Eliezer Yudkowsky began warning that AI could destroy humanity. His online post spawned a community of believers. Called rationalists or effective altruists, this community became enormously influential in academia, government think tanks, and the tech industry. Mr. Yudkowsky and his writings played key roles in the creation of both OpenAI and DeepMind, an AI lab that Google acquired in 2014. And many from the community of ease worked inside these labs. They believed that because they understood the dangers of AI, they were in the best position to build it. The two organizations that recently released open letters warning of the risks of AI, the Center for AI Safety and the Future of Life Institute, are closely tied to this movement. The recent warnings have also come from research pioneers and industry leaders like Elon Musk, who has long warned about the risks. The latest letter was signed by Sam Altman, the chief executive of OpenAI, and Demis Hassabis, who helped found DeepMind and now oversees a new AI lab that combines the top researchers from DeepMind and Google. Other well-respected figures signed one or both of the warning letters, including Dr. Bengio and Geoffrey Hinton, who recently stepped down as an executive and researcher at Google. In 2018, they received the Turing Award, often called the Nobel Prize of Computing, for their work on neural networks. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.